Hey Stampin' Friends, it's Darlene with Darling Stamps. Today we're going to go through Thrifty Thursday, and we're going to go through a interesting but probably unique way of minimizing the bulk that goes on with these cards. So these are 3 punches that we will demonstrate. I'll demonstrate, but here is a card that I'm doing for a customer. Thank you cards. You can tell that basically with most cards, they have the inside, which with my white one, the white gives you just a nice background. You don't need to have anything else added to it. But with these darker cards, we need to have something in because you can't write in it. So I use copy paper. I do it the 5 1/4 by 4. And this will actually fit right inside of here, which gives it a nice place to write things. And it also gives you less bulk. Copy paper, thrifty, rather than using cardstock, which would make more weight to this. But what I like doing is a simple, I can do a round corner, and I only use 2 sides. I don't use all 4 sides. And then you can see that when that goes in, it gives a nice little edge on these 2 corners. The second way that I use the paper, just to kind of add some flair, you can see which one? Must be not these. Oh my goodness. It must be the pink ones. All right, so you see how it has the butterflies? So then what I can do is I can add a butterfly at the bottom. Now it gives it a nice little pop of color in that corner. Another way, and this is the little case that I use from our Project Life, but it holds these papers real nice and neat so they're already done. There is our trio punch, and I can pop in. Well, there you go. Too thin. So the trick of these, I forgot, is to add a couple more than just 1 sheet. So you saw my boo-boo. So let me just try to get this taken care of right here. There. Okay. So now we have a little bit more of a corner. And see how it just adds that little bit of extra to it. But you're not using the extra cardstock, which costs more. And the other trick is that with these papers, because how thin they are, I do not use glue. I use just 4 corners of snail or adhesive because it does not show up. So when you put this thing down, normally you would see glue marks. But with this tape, it holds it down just fine. So I hope you enjoyed that tip today. And happy stamping. We hope to see the next series that I've been doing is ABCs of paper crafting. So if you haven't viewed those, Google that on YouTube. And I hope to see you next time on a Thrifty Thursday. And if you don't have a demonstrator, I would love to be your creative coach and look forward to talking to you soon. Bye for now.